some of the real life problems to understand the concept of logarithm. So the question states that the pH formula relates to the pH of a substance to the number of the moles of hydrogen ions in the substance. The pH formula is pH equals to 1 over log of pH formula is pH equals to log of 1 over H, whereas H is the concentration of the hydrogen ions. How many moles of hydrogen ions are in a sample that has a pH of 6.5? So very simple, just replace the pH by 6.5 and here it is written log of 1 over H. And now solve the equation. So in order to get rid of this log, I will raise the power of 10 on both sides. So I will get 1 over H equals to 10 to the power of 6.5. If I cross multiply, so this, since I need to find out the value of H, so this H will go on the top, whereas this 10 to the power of 6.5 will go in the denominator. So H equals to 1 over 10 to the power of 6.5. To understand this, remember that A over B equals to C. If you need to find out the B, so the places of B and the C will be interchanged. It means C will become B and B will become C and A stay as it is. Now write it in the calculator to get the final answer. So 1 divided by 10 to the power of 6.5. Now if you see that in the calculator it's written 3.162 and in the end it's written e to the power of minus 0.7, which means you have 10 to the power of negative 7. And this is the concentration of hydrogen ions in moles. Next question, the pH of a substance tells how acidic or basic a substance is. You can use spatial strips to test the pH of a liquid. The formula relates to the pH of a substance to the H, the moles of the hydrogen ions in the substance. Write a logarithmic equation. So if you look here, there is a pH written, the formula, and even if it is not written, you memorize it as log 1 over H equals to pH. Now you have to find out the hydrogen ions in moles if the pH is 5.8. So I write here log of 1 over H. In order to get rid of this log, I raise the power of 10 on both sides and I will get 1 over H equals to 10 to the power of 5.8. Now, as I told you, I will interchange the places of H and 10 to the power of 5.8 in order to get the concentration of hydrogen. So, I will write in the calculator 1 divided by 10 to the power of 5.8 and the answer is 1.585 into 10 to the power of 6. Don't forget this part which is written at the corner, right side corner of the calculator. Now how many moles of the hydrogen are written? You wrote. You have to show it by using the log formula. So we already have shown each and everything. So you can write one more thing. pH equals to log 1 over 5.8. So this is your part A and this is your part B. Next question, the brightness of a star as measured from Earth is apparent magnitude M. apparent magnitude m, the absolute magnitude capital M is the brightness of the star from the standard distance of 10 parsecs. So the measures are related by the formula m small m minus capital M equals to 5 log d of d by 10. You have to find out the distance of the star from the earth. So first of all, you can see here the data is written. Write it down. So apparent magnitude means small m. So replace it by 1.16. Capital M or the absolute magnitude means 1.09. So you just replace it. Equals to 5 log of d over 10. Now get rid of this 5 by dividing the 5 on both sides. And I am writing this term before the equal sign. So log d over 10 equals to. Now write it all in the calculator to get the answer. So you will have 1.16 minus 1.09 divided by 5, 0.014. Now get rid of this log by raising the power of 10 on both sides. So we will get d over 10 equals to 10 to the power of 0.014. Now we have to find out the d, which means this 10 will be multiplied by the 10 to the power of 0.014. Write in the calculator 10 times 10 to the power of 0.014 and the answer will be d equals to 10.3276. It means 328. Do the calculation very carefully. If my answer is wrong, try to manage yourself. Okay, now the estimated magnitude capital M of the earthquake is 4.6 and the formula for the magnitude is capital M equals to 2 by 3 log of E minus log of 10 to the power of 11.8. Remember, if here the base is written and here this 10 is written, they also can be cancelled out. And if you have the doubt, you can write it log 10 to the power of 11.8 and you will get definitely 11.8. Write here log of E equals to 2 by 3 and in place of M replace by 4.6 which is given in the question. Now divide both sides by 2 by 3 because you have to calculate the energy. Write in the calculator 4.6 divided by 2 by 3 and the answer is 6.9 equals to log of E minus 11.8. Bring the 11.8 on the other side so you will get 6.9 plus 11.8 and here log of E. Now raise the power of 10 on both sides to get rid of this log. So E equals to 10 to the power of 6.9 plus 11.8 gives you 18.7. Now write in the calculator 10 to the power of 18.7 and you will get 5.012 into 10 to the power of 18. Remember, I always round off the third digit after the decimal because we have to write it as a round off situation. Next question, same way, another earthquake occurs with an estimated magnitude of 3.8. So the first thing is that I have to write the formula which is given to me to calculate the energy 10 to the power of 11.8. And in place of M, I will replace my magnitude which is 3.8. And after that, I know also that if log and 10 are written together, they will be cancelled out. And if you have a doubt, you can write it in the calculator. Now divide both sides by 2.3, 2 over 3 to get rid of this 2 over 3. So write in the calculator 3.8 divided by 2 over 3. You will get 5.7 equals to log of E minus 11.8. Bring the 11.8 on the other side, you will get plus 11.8. So 11.8 plus 5.7 gives you 17.5. So log of E equals to 17.5. Now raise the power of 10 on both sides to get rid of this log. So you will get E equals to 10 to the power of 17.5. Write in the calculator and write the final answer. That is 3.162 into 10 to the power of 17. So this is the amount of energy released by the earthquake. Now have a look to this question. Holly solved the logarithmic equation log of 6 x minus 5 equals to 2 minus log 6x and found two solutions. Her work is shown at the right. How can you help her to find the correct solution to this solution? What is the correct solution? Explain your answer. Now look, there are two things in this one. Compare to this question and her answer. This 6 is not written as a base of 6. So if this is the scenario, so her work is completely wrong. So, and if this is the wrong way of writing, yani if this is written by mistake with the examiner and the question is this, then the scenario again changes. So you can see here that there are two scenarios which can be solved. To solve this question, there are two scenarios. So if we consider that this is the scenario, so first of all, bring all the logs on one side. So I will write here log base 6 x minus 6 plus log base 6 of x equals to 2. Use the property to write it down. I will get log base of, 5. Log base of 6 x minus 5 times x equals to 2. Now to get rid of this log, I have to raise the power of 6 because this has a power base 6. And meanwhile, open the bracket, x times x, x is square, x times 5, negative 5x, and 6 square means 36. Bring the 36 on the other side. I will get negative 36 and equals to 0. If I write this all in the calculator, so x minus 9 and x plus 4 will be my situation. So x equals to 9 and x equals to negative 4 is the correct answer, but log cannot be negative. That's why my only solution is x equals to 9. Because the x equals to negative 4, I cannot take. The reason is that the log cannot be negative. But this is the scenario if the equation is written wrong. But what if the complete equation is written right and the student, she assume herself that this 6 is a base 6. So using the actual situation which is given in our actual question, solve this question. So log of 6x minus 5 equals to 2 minus log of 6x. Bring this log over there. So I will get log of, open the bracket, 6x minus 6 times 5 is 30. If I bring the minus log on other side, I will get plus log of 6x equals to 2. Now express the log as single logarithm. Since they are separated by a plus sign, so I will multiply the two expressions and I will raise the power of 10 on both sides, because here now the base is 10. So open the bracket. 6 times 6, 36x square. 6 times 30 gives me 180x equals to 10 power 2 gives me 100. Now this is a quadratic equation. Bring the 100 on the other side, and plus 100 goes on the other side will gives me minus 100. Now factor it. Either do it manually by taking the common. First of all, take the common 2 and solve it. Otherwise, if you are using calculator, either graphic or any scientific calculator, factor it by writing 36, negative 180 and negative 100 and get the answer. So you will get the two answers. So the first answer is x equals to 2.318 and the other answer is x equals to negative 0.096. So log cannot be negative, so we will not take this answer, we will take only this answer. But see, if the equation is written in this form, then only his working is that we have to take this answer. But if it is written, this is the correct way of writing the equation, then the whole scenario along with the answers change. I hope that all the questions are understood to you. Okay, so subscribe the channel to get the more videos for the other lessons which are relevant to your curriculum, to your exams, and to your daily working. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.